Hey, welcome to Boom City Breaks. Here with Gatsby, coming to you with a three-box break from Hit Parade Football 2017 Autographed Jersey Edition. Series 6, Box 24, Series 6, Box 89, and Series 7, Box number 12. Good luck, everybody. If you haven't checked us out, please do so. We're live 7 nights a week at breakers.tv/Boom City Breaks. All right, fellas, here we go. Let's get some big hits here. That Dak Prescott ball was clean, Jay. Man, he signed so bold with that silver pen, too. It was a sick hit. Pop into the seals. And we have a Denver Broncos hit. Floyd Little going out to the Broncos. Big DP taking down another hit. Big D Pizzle taking down the Floyd Little custom. Nice hit there, buddy. Floyd Little always has a good signature on his product. And here is the serial number right there, guys. Congrats. There's your Leaf Authentic sticker as well. Alright, Big DP taking that bad boy down. Nice little hit there. Alright, box number 2 coming up, folks. Box number 2 coming up. There's some big ones coming, Ron. Don't worry, buddy. Gonna hear the popping of the seals. And we have a nice Thurman Thomas custom jersey. Thurman Thomas autograph jersey. That'll go out to the Bills and Raleigh Card Collector. Raleigh Card Collector taking down a nice Thurman Thomas. Has a nice signature on there. With a David Adams certificate of authenticity. And there's your sticker from David Adams on jersey. That's going to go out to Riley. Nice hit, buddy. And box number 3. Here we go. Can hear the popping of the seal. And looks like we have a Daryle Lamonica jersey. Oakland Raiders hit. The Oakland hit's gonna go to, who has Oakland? Newboot taking down the Oakland hit. Daryle Lamonica, here is your Leaf certificate of authenticity, bud. I can get that to work. There's the serial number. I know, right? New Boot, Big DP, and Riley are hitting pretty good right now. There's your sticker, bud. Congrats to the winners. All right, fellas, that wraps up the 3-box break. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time from Boom City Breaks.